Hello. So this is a video to just kind of share a best practice that I'm using during this remote teaching time for TCMS. I'm doing everything exclusively on ALEKS, and I learned how to do something more recently. So I just wanted to share that with anyone who might be interested. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create videos and tag them to the skills on ALEKS so that when your students are working on something, they have a resource to help them in case the skill doesn't have a video that they can already see and use. So the first thing I do is I sign on to my ALEKS account, and then I have to make sure that I pick the class, not just the normal class, but the actual copied class that I created. So this is the one that we had from the beginning of the year with the 176 topics. And then what I do next is I look in this section on the dashboard of the Ready to Learn section, because this is how my videos can be the most effective for the biggest group of my students. So I already created the conditional probability basic video. So the one that I just created was this one, the using a trigonometric ratio one. So I would basically go down this list, and these are the videos that I would create. So if you hold down Control or Command and click on this, it should open in another tab. And here you'll see a problem that has an example. And if you want, you can also click on the explanation just to review it yourself before you make your video. And then you can use any screen recording app. I used to use Loom, but since I've been using Screencastify, I like it more because it uploads directly to YouTube. It's just a little more user-friendly, and I actually like it more. So that's actually what I'm using to create this video. So you would have to download one of those first, or if you have one that you use that you really like, let me know about it, because I'm looking for the best one. So what I would do is I would use Screencastify, and I would go ahead and solve this problem. I would make my video, we're solving trig ratios, and I would do this whole problem, SOHCAHTOA, so on and so forth. Okay, so once I'm done with it, you can click Publish to YouTube, and it will go to your YouTube channel. So here you can see I just made this video, this ALEKS using a trig ratio to find side length. Only has 2 views so far, but if you take it and you take the link
triangles, and
you copy the link, then you can actually tag it to this skill so that when students are working on it, they can see it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you want to tag it to this resource, you have to go to Class Tools and click on Resources. Click on Add Resource. You can see I did it right here, but I'm going to show you the process. Enter the resource name. So I usually just write the name of the skill. So using a trig ratio to find side length. And then you click on link and then paste the YouTube link. And then you want to tag it as a video so that the students see that it's a video. Then you have to click this button where it says link it to individual topics, and then find the topic to link it to. So what I like to do in order to make that process more efficient is to use Control or Command F, find, and I try to type in whatever word I think is going to be used that often, so like trig. So here you can see using a trigonometric ratio to find a side length in a right triangle, and that's the same topic that was right here. So I'm going to click that box next to it, and then I'm going to click Save. Okay. The only thing that is kind of annoying that you have to do is then you have to go to your other periods of TCMS and do the same process, because it only tags it to one of your classes. But if there might be a way where you don't have to do that, so if anyone is also doing this, or if anyone knows a way to tag it in both of your classes at the same time, please let me know, because I would love to make this process more efficient. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions or if you have any ideas that I could use to streamline this process. Thank you.